Hi, this is Sridhar. I'm with Hanuredi for last about 4 years. Basically, I have a management qualification and about around almost 17 to 18 years experience in consulting and strategizing for some of the best companies. Okay, and then I came into HRR and it's almost about 4 years I'm out here. And some of the best things have happened in my life at HRR. Maybe the cars and maybe some good holidays and good friends and some of the great mentors, all part and parcel of the Hanuredi family out here. But let me tell you three best things why I like about Hanuredi, okay, and Hanuredi reality as real estate as a career. Point number one, probably this is the only place where you can write your own check and go about achieving it, okay, at maybe the shortest possible time. Many have done it, right? You can do it, number one. Number two is this is probably the only place where, right, I'll tell you, I repeat, this is probably the only place where you can help people to achieve their dreams, thereby you achieve your own dreams. Okay, and third most important thing is I like the freedom out here. Total freedom. There is nobody asking you where are you, what time are you coming in, when are you reporting, why don't you sign here, why don't you sign there, you are your boss and who's a junior, who's a senior. There is nothing at all. It's a huge family. You decide what to do, you walk in. 24/7 office. Right, you have offices worldwide, you can do anything okay, why real estate as a career? Just one more sentence out here. This country with a 1 billion population requires about 30 lakh homes. Just imagine the potential, what we can do, what you and me can do out here, right? This is Priya out here, she's my wife.
Hi.
Right, and we are here as a team. We have been a team for last 20 years, married for 20 years, and we are in this company also for last 4 years. We are enjoying every bit of it, welcome, come aboard real estate career, come aboard Hanuredi. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm his wife Priya and his business partner for many years. But the most exciting part of my life has been the past 2 years. Things have happened at a speed which is phenomenal, and why at HRR I'm this excited, and it's a 24/7 excited day. I do not say that this part of this career excited me or that part alone excited me. It's a whole package where my dreams are being achieved at a phenomenal speed. My car came to me, maybe it was a 3-month decision. I made a decision and I got my car, my dream car, in 3 months' time. I'm planning a trip abroad and I think that's going to be done in the next 3 months. My 2 boys, my handsome boys, 19 and 15-year-old boys, they are the ones who are driving me to build this business at this kind of a pace, because I know that my boys are going to be with me maybe for the next 3-4 years. And after that, they are on their own. So before the next 3-4 years, I need to go and see the world with my boys. I need to touch the Statue of Liberty. I need to sleep on the Wall of China. I want to go and see the pyramids in Egypt. There's so much more lovely things to be seen and done. And that's what drives me. And if this can drive me, I don't know what it is for you. Everything can happen at HRR.